In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 best non-toxic rice cookers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best non-toxic rice cookers. Number 5. Elite Gourmet ERC006SS. If you're looking for an affordable way to enjoy healthier home-cooked meals, the Elite Gourmet ERC006SS is an excellent place to start. This compact rice cooker features a durable stainless steel inner pot instead of a traditional non-stick coating, making it a great choice for anyone concerned about unwanted chemicals in their cookware. Its simple one-touch operation makes cooking effortless, while the automatic keep warm function ensures your rice stays hot until you're ready to serve. Besides cooking fluffy white and brown rice, it can also prepare quinoa, oatmeal, soups, and steamed vegetables. Compact, easy to clean, and incredibly budget-friendly, the Elite Gourmet ERC006SS proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy safe, reliable, and convenient everyday cooking. Number 4. Greenlife Digital Rice Cooker. The Greenlife Digital Rice Cooker is a fantastic option for anyone who wants healthier cookware without sacrificing convenience. It features a ceramic non-stick cooking pot that is completely free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, giving you added confidence every time you prepare a meal. The easy-to-use digital display includes multiple presets for white rice, brown rice, quinoa, oats, and other grains, allowing you to achieve consistently delicious results with just the touch of a button. Its automatic keep warm function ensures your food stays ready to serve, while the ceramic surface makes cleanup quick and simple. Stylish, compact, and packed with useful features, the Greenlife Digital Rice Cooker is an excellent choice for modern kitchens focused on healthier cooking. Number 3. Aroma Select Stainless ARC753SGB. For shoppers looking for a simple, affordable, and truly non-toxic rice cooker, the Aroma Select Stainless ARC753SGB is one of the best values available. Instead of using a coated non-stick bowl, it features a durable food-grade 304 stainless steel cooking pot that won't chip, peel, or wear over time. Its straightforward one-touch operation makes preparing perfect rice incredibly easy, while the automatic keep warm feature keeps your food at the ideal serving temperature. Beyond rice, it's also perfect for cooking quinoa, oatmeal, and steaming vegetables. Its compact footprint fits easily into smaller kitchens, making it ideal for individuals, couples, and small families. If you want dependable performance, healthier materials, and excellent value, the Aroma ARC753SGB is an easy recommendation. Number 2. Buffalo Classic Rice Cooker. The Buffalo Classic Rice Cooker is designed for health-conscious families who want to avoid traditional non-stick coatings completely. Its food contact surfaces are made from durable food-grade stainless steel, eliminating concerns about PFAS, PTFE, and other chemical coatings. The stainless steel inner pot distributes heat evenly while preserving the natural flavor and texture of your rice. It also includes multiple cooking functions for grains, soups, porridge, and steaming vegetables, making it much more than just a rice cooker. Built with premium materials and exceptional craftsmanship, this cooker offers long-lasting durability and dependable performance. If you're looking for a premium stainless steel rice cooker that prioritizes safety, quality, and versatility, the Buffalo Classic Rice Cooker is one of the finest investments you can make. Number 1. Greenpan Carb-Reducing Electric Rice Cooker. Taking the number 1 spot is the Greenpan Carb-Reducing Electric Rice Cooker, widely recognized as one of the safest and most innovative rice cookers available today. Its PFAS-Free Thermalon ceramic cooking pot provides a healthier alternative to traditional nonstick coatings while delivering exceptional cooking performance and effortless cleanup. One of its standout features is the carb-reducing basket, which helps remove excess starch during cooking to create healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. It also includes multiple presets for white rice, brown rice, quinoa, steel-cut oats, and steaming, making it incredibly versatile. Combined with its premium design, smart features, and consistently excellent results, the Greenpan carb-reducing electric rice cooker stands out as the best non-toxic rice cooker you can buy. That wraps up our list of the best non-toxic rice cookers. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.